Hi, I'm Nikki Satmaka and you can call me Nikki. I'm an educator from Hacktivate, Jakarta in Indonesia. I'm currently a Google Certified Educator Level 2 and I'm very enthusiastic in joining the Google Certified Trainer because I want to upgrade my skills as an educator in using the Google tools and the Google Suites. Moreover, I want to be an inspiration so that younger generations after me could thrive and bring a better world. They could learn more stuff and hopefully they can pass the torch and teach this to someone else. Right now, I'm going to tell you how I'm about to use Google Sheets to help me filter out students and I can give them a more personalized teaching approach and help them support their goals. So in these examples, I have the grades of the quiz of my students. And as you can see here, my spreadsheets are already formatted with the blue tables. And right now, I want to see which students may seem to need my support. And as we can see, it's quite jumbled up here as we have a myriad of scores. Now, we can use this tool called conditional formatting, and I want to know whether whether there are students who score below 70. So format cells less than 70, and the formatting style will be red. Okay, and done. Now we can see that those people, we can now easily see those who are highlighted red may need some more help. So we can easily focus our attention to those people. If we want for even more focus, we can even filter them out, and we can say filter by values or filter by condition. So less than 70. Okay, so Daniel, Kevin, Hannah, Benjamin, and Farah may need additional support from us. So in the next class, I know that I'm gonna have to gather them up and I can teach and I can have them and I can teach them a more personalized material so they can get their grades up. Hopefully this will be of help to you.